Alright guys, welcome back to another video on my RM250. Today is super exciting because we can get all the parts here on the bench mounted up on the bike. So yeah, we've got the forks, rear shock and brakes to put on and all the lines and stuff to hook up. Definitely going to be one of the better videos in the sense that it actually looks like we're getting stuff done on the bike rather than just putting parts together. Yeah, we'll just get cracking straight into it.
To set the fork height, I used the lip at the top of the fork tube and then went back with the vernier calipers and made sure they were the correct height.
Just before I install the shock, I've got some yellow carburetor vent lines. So the ones that come off like the bottom of the carb for the overflow, and then the other ones on the side, and then also ones for the power valve breathers. So I'll install that just before I put the shock on, so because it's like once the shock on, you know, it'll be like there and it'll be a little bit difficult to get to.
the rear caliper hit the top of the swing arm, so off camera I changed it with a straight but 20-degree up bend one, so the line cleared the top of the swing arm. All bling parts used on the bike, like the rear brake pedal, brake clevis, oil fill plug, reservoir caps, chain saver and gear shifter were all bought from MotoX Parts. Their link will be in the description, so make sure you go and check them out.
A good benefit of this rear brake pedal is, one of them, it's folding, and two, it's got this snag here that just tightens around your engine mount, so like if a tree branch or something tries to rip your brake pedal out, this snag will sort of keep it from you getting like folded out, and it's super grippy too, so you're not going to be slipping a foot. But yeah, all these bling parts look so good. Matches the fork tubes and the case saver as well, and the shifter, so yeah, it's coming along bloody well actually. So this is how far we've got on the RM so far. So we've got the forks on, front brake lines hooked up, the caliper and master cylinders on, and we've got the front brake lever on, and some bling all throughout. Rear brake pedal on, got the master cylinder and clevis on, brake line on, caliper on, got the shock in, got the vent lines in for the carb and the power valves. Not too sure how I feel about them, but we'll see once we get the bike together on how they look. And there's got the gear shifter and case saver as well. But yeah, I'm super happy how it's turning out so far. I just can't wait to get the wheels true and then see how they look on the bike, but as soon as that's done I can chuck them on, put the tyres on that are sitting over there. But yeah, that won't be, it'll be like 10 seconds for you guys, but then yeah, it'll be a rolling chassis again, which will be exciting. So I'll update you when I get the wheels back. So we can finally get the wheels mounted up on the bike now.
If you want to see me build the wheels for the RM, I go in detail on how to do it and what parts I use, so definitely go and check that video out. Click the card in the top right corner. going to be the first time pulling the bike off the stand in like 5 months. So now it's a rolling chassis again. Alright, so we got the RM back to a rolling frame finally. Feels good, it's been sitting on the stand for like 6 months or so. Anyway, in the next video we'll be getting the subframe, airbox, tank, radiators and exhaust on. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment and follow the Instagram MotivatedNZ. I'll see you guys in the next one.